If you need to rotate a shape in LibreOffice Draw, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it step by step. Whether you're working on a diagram, a flyer, a presentation graphic, or just cleaning up a layout, rotating shapes is one of those small skills that makes a big difference. It helps you create more professional-looking designs and gives you much more control over the way your document looks. If this video helps you out, please take a moment to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, look at the left side under Create and click Draw Drawing. If you already have a document open that contains the shape you want to edit, you can open that instead. Now find the shape you want to rotate and click it once to select it. You want to make sure the shape is highlighted before continuing because the rotation settings only work on the selected object. After selecting the shape, right-click on it to bring up the menu. From that menu, click Position and Size. This opens a settings window where you can control the shape's exact placement, size, and rotation. In the window that appears, go to the rotation section. Here you'll see the angle field where you can enter the exact rotation amount you want. Type in the rotation angle you need, whether that's a small adjustment or a full custom rotation. Once you've entered the angle, click OK to apply the change. LibreOffice Draw will immediately rotate the shape to the selected angle and you can see the result right away. If it doesn't look quite right, you can repeat the same steps and adjust the angle again until it matches your layout perfectly. This is especially useful when you want to align elements more precisely or create a more dynamic design. And that's it. Rotating a shape in LibreOffice Draw is that easy. You just open LibreOffice, select your shape, open position and size, enter the rotation angle and confirm with OK. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick LibreOffice tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.